Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's super important for anyone approaching retirement: how to apply for Social Security retirement benefits in 2025. If you're in your 60s or just planning ahead, this guide will help you navigate the process smoothly and avoid common pitfalls. First things first, let's cover eligibility. You can typically start claiming benefits at age 62, but for the full amount, you'll want to wait until your full retirement age, usually 66 to 67, depending on your birth year. In 2025, the Social Security Administration, SSA, might have slight adjustments, so always double-check on their official website for the latest rules. Now, onto the application steps. The easiest and most efficient way is online. Head to ssa.gov and create a My Social Security account. Before you begin, gather your essential documents: your Social Security number, birth certificate, recent W-2 forms or tax returns, and details about your work history. If you're married, include your spouse's info too. Step 1. Log into your account and go to the Apply for Benefits section. Step 2. Select the Retirement Benefits option and follow the prompts to fill out the form. It usually takes about 15 minutes. Step 3. Review everything carefully before submitting. If online isn't your thing, you can apply by phone at 1-800-772-1213 or schedule an in-person visit at a local SSA office, though appointments are recommended. A quick tip for 2025: keep an eye out for potential changes in benefit calculations or the earnings limit if you're still working. Once you submit your application, expect a confirmation right away, and benefits could start within 1 to 3 months, depending on your chosen start date. Applying early gives you peace of mind, so don't wait. If you have questions or need more details, check the SSA website or leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned for more retirement tips.